Hello guys, and welcome back into today's video. Today is going to be a very important video for you guys today. So overall, great day for the market, up 2% on the S&P 500, and overall Apple reported insanely high earnings, and overall we're up over 7% on Apple. I will be recapping the Apple trade plan that I alerted on Discord. Basically, I did a scalp, as well as kind of showing you guys like QQQ, SPY, the market, why this is really the bottom. Like, you guys are going to be learning a lot from this video. I'll be going over the technical analysis aspect of what I am looking at, and you guys will be learning some nice, new stuff in this video. So I really do think this is the bottom, and I want to cover it in my video. Year to date, we're down around 7%. So now is not a bad time to buy SPY shares, in my opinion. I've already bought QQQ shares. So this is triple leverage QQQ. So the cool part about it is this moves, like 3 times QQQ, so you guys can see, if we actually buy now and ride it to all-time highs, this would be a very nice 74% gainer just on shares. So I definitely do have a lot to talk about in this video, because I really do think this is the bottom, and I do really think now is the time to buy in shares. Now is the time to ride it to the upside, which I have alerted on Discord. So starting off, I want to recap Apple. So Apple trade, we played this ascending triangle. Now, one thing you guys have to understand is, I was watching Apple all day. The main reason I was watching Apple was because we had earnings. Apple flew past that insanely nice numbers, and it was up 4% at a market open. So we gapped up. And, around open, it was consolidating. Now, I'll show you guys my perspective, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this out. So this is Discord, okay? So these are my alerts on Discord. Kind of want to do a recap. So basically, I alerted this scalp position. This is what I saw. We had a ascending triangle. I always try to send it the charts on the alert, and so this was around 9:54, so 15:54, and then around 3 minutes later I sent another chart saying if it breaks to the downside, I will be looking to play puts, because again, this is a ascending triangle. And then overall, this was a very nice 50% gainer. And overall, here were the profits, 50%. Here was my fill. And overall, just by 2 candles, we got a very nice fill. Now, Apple did went over 200%. And I want to explain why I sold off early. Now, after that, I also got in QQQ shares, which I alerted. So I'll be going over here that if you guys have not alerted in it, if you guys haven't gotten in QQQ, definitely a great play to get on for a swing. So let's remove this. Let's get back on into trading view. So as you guys can see now, I could go basically back in time right over here. This is kind of what I saw. We had this ascending triangle, and as you guys know, Apple is one of my favorite stocks. If you guys have been following me for the past 2 years, even when I wasn't uploading on YouTube, or when I was like streaming back in the day over the summer, Apple used to be that my favorite stock, because it would just never, it would just always, just like me. So over here, we had this break above this level, and overall it ran up very nicely to the upside, and overall I did cut it. Now, the main reason I cut it, first of all, we were already up so much for the day, okay? As you guys can see, we're up 7%. Apple hit 170 today. So we're already up so much for the day. The second thing was, I still wasn't trusting the market, because I've been taking, the past weeks literally off, was not trading. So overall, this was a very great trade. These 2 candles, 50%. And overall, that is it for Apple. Now, I want to talk about the market, okay? SPY, QQQ, and why I'm very bullish on the market. I'm very bullish. I already got in a position on QQQ shares. Okay, I'm not gonna swing it contracts. As of right now, option contracts, because of theta and stuff. So I thought TQQ was a lighter risk. So what I'm taking a look at SPY is, okay, look at the past week. Okay, I think this is just incredible. Okay, if you guys understand technical analysis, what we can see is we're just consolidating, and this is a major level of support, 428. Now, why is this a major level of support? Because that is the 200 and EMA. Okay, that is the 200 EMA. So it is really respecting that level. In the previous videos, I've talked about the 200 EMA. Okay, I'll just show you guys a little bit before. It uses it as a support, but whenever we break this to the downside, we get a huge major correction. So that is one of the reasons why this is a major level of support. So let me cut this out. So as you guys can see, we have a nice consolidation. The second thing is we broke the downtrends. As you guys can see, we were just straight dying up right over here, and we had around consolidation level, and overall it broke that level, and it is sitting above that level. So SPY is looking incredible right over here. Let's take this out. Let's take a look at UVXY, which is the fear index. So if we actually take a look at the UVXY, okay, we have talked about this, okay? UVXY needs to break the support now, and it needs to crash back down below. So overall, the market is holding that level of support. We have broken that downtrend. It is looking very nice. Now, I took a position in QQQ, not in QQQ, TQQQ, so triple leverage QQQ. So QQQ is looking the same, which is a tech ETF. We have consolidation. Apple reported some great earnings. We have Amazon earnings on Monday, but overall setting up for a very nice downtrend to break out over here. So if we actually take a look at it really did not break. It's like sitting right over here, but basically I took in a position for shares for TQQ. Now, my stop loss is going to be, below 51. So that is kind of like going to be our major level of support. So these levels that I'm showing you guys on QQQ, triple QQQ, and SPY, that is going to be our stop loss. So this is a major level. We're just consolidating over here. So especially next week, if we break this through, it's going to be looking very nice for SPY. Overall, market looks amazing. I really think the dip is here, and everything is just adding up. We don't have any more uncertainty, any more fears. Last of the earnings are going to be happening in next week. On Monday we have Amazon earnings. That is mostly the main concern, but just think about it. Amazon already dropped so much. How bad can Amazon earnings be? So that is what I'm really just looking at. Overall, very simple video, a 10% correction. We're kind of buying the fear, and TQQQ, triple leverage QQQ was the way to go. My stop loss 5%, and overall that is all. Very simple video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe with the notifications all. I will try to upload tomorrow, and overall, see you guys tomorrow. Enjoy your weekends. Bye